Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another video about the Cousins, the Creative Cousins Journal, which is this one right here. Okay. Yes. I think you would have seen this little sweet edition that I put on here. I received in Happy Mail in a swap years ago, and I finally found a very special place to put it, and I love it. I just put a little, you can see whatchamacallit, an eyelid in there. Now this book is fairly naked right now. It has 3 signatures sewn in it. And yeah, so what you're looking at right here is all of the stuff that's going to go into that journal, okay? And also right here, I have this little bag I'm gonna send her that has a whole bunch of vintage papers in here and some printouts that I did for her and just loads of stuff, loads of stuff. I'm so excited to get this out. So we're gonna go through this pile here, and these are some of the things that I've collected to put in her journal. Now, some of the things I made years ago, some I just made recently, so let's just go through the pile. This right here is a Joey pocket, and it is a two pockets, right? So we could easily stick this little card in here like that, right? Okay, and then another larger tag up here. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Yeah, I will have all the links below to the channels that I mentioned, so there's that. This I got, I don't know where I got this from. I could have gotten it from, oh, I don't even want to say, I can't remember. So if it was you, thank you so much. But this is a vintage elastic thing, you know, so I'm going to put that in there. This here was made lovingly by my sweet friend Brooke at Recreations by Brooke. So I'm going to be putting that in there. I love that. And then these are just some little bits and bobs that I found that I can put and tuck in little pockets. I do want to put this in there on this side right here. Friendship is born at that moment when one person says to another, "What, you too? I thought I was the only one." This so reminds me of my sweet cousin, so I'm putting that in there somewheres. And then, you know, who knows? Maybe I'll just cut this part out and make it a little tuck spot and tuck some of these things in there, just extra little journaling things. This is from, it's just a tag I made years ago, and it's from an almanac maybe? Like, it wasn't a vintage book, I don't think. I don't know. I don't know where I got it, but I think it's cool, and I think she'll like it. These are tags I received in a Happy Mail in a swap years ago as well. I've been hoarding them all this time, and now I'm going to use them. So these will be going in. Isn't this a sweet little transfer? So cute. Yep, I'm gonna somehow put this in there. She's just gorgeous. More tags, of course, because like you'll see as we go along, you know, little things like this, like little pockets, I can easily slip a tag in, right? So those tags, these are so cute. I love these little, whatever they're called, attachers, I don't know. This is an old postcard. Let's just see what it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? A vintage lady. And here, these are just cute. So I'm gonna put those in there as well on a page. This is a sweet little cluster I got in Happy Mail as well. And like I said, I've been hoarding all this stuff, and I don't want to hoard it anymore. And now I'm just noticing that, once again, my glue bottle is not topped. So let's just do that real fast. Oh, I am also sending her one of these bottles. I don't have a tassel, I don't know. But I will be sending her one of these little glue bottles. So there's that little cluster, so cute. This is just beautiful. It's another little transfer that I'll probably turn into a tuck or a pocket or something in the book. So there's that. Look at that sweet little tag with a ruffle. That's vintage fabric on there. These are just so beautiful. So I'm so happy that I'm able to use up these beautiful items. I mean, I'm telling you, I've been hoarding them for years. This is a beautiful envelope that somebody made, and I just love it. It's so pretty. So that's going to be going in there as well. Here's some just extra tags that I found that I had made years ago. They're going in there. And like I said, again, where did that thing go? Like perhaps this one. I don't know if it'll fit in here or not. Let's just give it a try. If it doesn't, it's no big deal. I could either cut it down or use it elsewhere. So see, yep, that'll fit right in there. It's upside down, but that's okay. And then I can sew like a little, you know, a ruffle on it, or I can take one of these really cute whale tails that somebody sent me and I can sew that on the top. Wouldn't that be adorable? So I have that. So cute. Let's just leave this out. Okay, I have these little things. These are just printouts and I cannot remember where I got them from, but I just love them. So I'll probably just, you know, stick them in there somewheres. She loves butterflies and they're just beautiful, you know, just little journaling cards. So those will go in there somewhere. There's that extra tag. Oh, I made these as well. Okay, these little envelopes. I made them with my punch board and I just did a little bit of stamping. Hopefully, this one looks like it's splitting. I might need to put some like washi tape on it or something. This is my coffee dyed paper that I make myself. And so in here, in all of these envelopes are the same thing basically, but it's a washi sample card. And then I have these labels that I had received and these tags from Your Creative Studios. So all of it's the same in each of the three. And I made three simply because I have three signatures. So I'll have one in each. Isn't that one pretty? Yep. I'll have one of these little envelopes in each of the signatures. And then I have these here that were printables. I just put eyelets in them, put some trim on them, and again, like I said, they can go in there so sweetly. So I have that. Maybe I should get 3 more of these out, or 2 more of these. I love these pockets. And I used Distress Oxide on them, and the paper itself was like really glossy, and it just worked so nicely. And then I took a baby wipe. I don't know if you can see those splotches there. I took a baby wipe and I dabbed it on there. I'll try to find the video where I made these. I don't know, golly. I'll try to find it and link it below. But anyway, there's that. And then these perfume bottles, these are printables as well, so they will go in there somewhere. Again, like I said, how sweet is that? They can go right in there. Then this one you saw recently, I had made is just out of scrapbook paper. I'm gonna glue the whole thing down. And this is from 6x6 paper, a sweet, sturdy little tag. So that'll go in there. These are just sweet little tags because, I mean, the book itself, see, it has this purple theme thing going on. And she loves purple. And so these all fit in there somehow. I don't know yet. So that'll be fun, that. And then this I still need to finish. I'm gonna put something on the front here, but see, like these tags right here fit in here very nicely if I can get it open. There we go. And I made these, I think, probably on the last video that you saw. So those are cute. I might make a third one again so I could have one in each signature. I'm not sure. But there it is all sewn together with just a Tim Holtz die cut on the front. So those are going in there. This, it was just an extra piece of paper that I had, so I'm gonna make it a tuck spot somewhere in the book, so there's that. These things, some of these you've seen. This is it upside down? I don't even know. Maybe it goes this way. I don't know how it goes, but anyway, it's a sweet little book that I just sewed on my sewing machine down the center. This was made out of a printout of a collage paper I did years ago. So I always scan my collage papers in my computer so that I can use them for this very thing. So there's that. I have 2 of those. And then these are just really sweet. I have more of them down here. Where are they? The colorful ones. I have these sweet little prayer cards, you know. You know what happened? I have all this like dust stuff from this thing. I need new ones, but anyway. So these pretty little prayer cards I'm gonna stick in there somehow. This is another Joey pocket, and I made this on a video with you guys as well. So this is going in there. And again, you know, I have all these cute little tags that can go in there, you know, just so sweet. This I actually got from Carhartt in a thank you card. So that was really sweet. And that can go in there if I wanted it to. It can go in here. It's just really cute. So there's that. More tags because, you know, like I said, I mean, I have a bunch of places where I can put little tags, you know. This is a sweet little tag that I made, super simple, just a regular, you know, manila tag. And then I stamped the squirrel on it, and that is from Your Creative Studios. So again, you know, lots of places for tags and such. That's going in there. Let me just make sure you can see all this mess. Gosh, this thing is going to be huge, right? I always go overboard. I don't know what my problem is. But anyway, here's another little corner, like tuck spot pocket that I made as well. And it has two little pockets, and these are just, you know, this is actually from packaging that I got when I got my subscription box to Your Creative Studios. So that was fun. That's going in there. Here's another corner pocket that I made, and I actually sewed this one. These little tags here come from Your Creative Studio. These come from Happy Mail. Again, I've been hoarding this stuff, guys, for so long, and I'm thrilled that I'm able to use it in this book. I got this here I made, again, years ago. It's just, it can be used as a little belly band type of thing. And it's just, what's it called? Like a snippet thing? Yeah, you just, you know, you take a strip of paper. I think, again, this was a Joey idea. You take a strip of paper, of cardstock, you just glue little bits onto it, sew it down, and there you have the perfect little belly band to use. This is a mushroom sticker. I haven't decided where I'm going to put this, but anyway, it can go somewhere. These are just old, this is from I'm not sure if it was a vintage book or not, but I'm going to use them as pockets in the journal, or tuck spots or whatever, what have you. I could also use them as just tags, like journaling spots, you know, because I backed all of them. So I have those. They're all backed and sewn. And then this right here, I cannot remember. I did a video on this though, not the making of the envelope, but at any rate, this is an envelope, and inside I have little bits of paper from, again, Your Creative Studio. I used the bits from Your Creative Studio in the August subscription box to decorate the front of this. This idea here, I do believe, comes from Barbara at 49 Dragonflies. It's a really fun way to make a little envelope, right? And I love the little fringy on the side there. This is another little book I made, just sewed die tracing paper down the center, and she can use it as a little book. We'll see where I'm going to put that. Here's another tag that I can, that I made, again, years ago, and it's just been sitting in my stash, and so I'm just thrilled that I'm now able to use all this. This I got in Happy Mail. It's a beautiful little cloth pocket, and then inside are these skeleton leaves. I just thought she would really enjoy those. I kept some for myself too. And then here, this is, I made this also on a video, and this is from when I was decorating using Your Creative Studio August box. So a sweet little envelope with some note paper inside there. These I also made in a video, and can I just mention right now, you can see all the different videos of the various things that I've made for this journal in a playlist. So that'll be down below in the description box as well. And for these, I just took Stampington magazine images, right, from the magazine, and I just made giant tags out of them. That's it, just journaling spots that I can put in there. And yeah, so I just really like this idea of using already, you know, made pieces, right? Like using images of pieces that have already been made, because this hopefully will give her an idea of something that she could do for herself, right? So that this tag here, I just added an eyelet to it and added this little tag there. And there's a little Brookie face. So I backed it with some vintage paper. This is a tag I made on here as well. It'll be in the on the playlist, but sweet little tag to put in the journal. Here's another tag that I made. Backed it with some ledger paper. And then these are really simple pockets, right? And again, here, this is like an old tag as well that I made years ago, but it can go right in there like that, right? So I have these pockets. I have, yeah, 3 or 4 of them that I can see. I have these 4. I made these on a video as well that it's in the playlist for the Creative Cousins journal. So these are super easy to make and a lot of fun. So I have those to put in there as well. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in there or not. We'll see. I don't know. This is just stamped images on old pillowcase fabric. So I don't know, I might use them as ties or something like that. Here are just some extra tags. If I need more, I have them. So extra tags. Oh, these I forgot to cut out. So I need to cut those out and use them as well. Let's see. Oh, extra paper. So I have like just a lot of stuff in here. And then these right here, I also made, they'll be in the playlist. These are cute little like, I guess they're like reverse matchbooks, right? And she can just tear this paper off and use it however she wants to. So I made a few of those. I'm not doing anything with this, I don't think. Yeah, so I'm not putting all of these in there. Right now, I think there might already be one in there already. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But I mean, look at all of this right here is going in the journal. Look how fat that is. I don't know if it's all gonna fit, but we'll see. So next video, I think what I might do is separate this stuff out to where I have tags and pockets and then other stuff. And then maybe I'll bring you along when I stuff the journal. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah. So stick around and make sure you click the subscribe button and notification bell so you can get notified the next time a video of mine comes out. This is just a short series that I've been doing on this vintage journal. I had asked if y'all wanted to see me put it together, and a lot of you expressed that you would, so that is why I've been going all vintage lately. I don't normally do vintage style, but I'm making this for my sweet cousin who really enjoys vintage. So I hope she enjoys it, and we're getting closer and closer to sending it out. So join me next time. Yeah, thanks a lot for your support. Thanks so much for your time and for sharing it with me. And yes, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I will again thank you. Let's put, oh my gosh, look at all that. Yummy goodness. So much fun. Oh, I can't wait till it's done and I can show you. Okay, I'm going now. Talk to y'all soon. Bye for now.